pala na. Decision game. Two more. Good!
Ala.
Nice! Gana Sinda.
Ano na yan, mommy? Second, ano na yan?
Third decision game. Good!
Yes! Ay, pwede itong double. Sayang. Pero di naman yan makakabal. Sana.
Out.
Okay, yes!
1,000.
Sana all.
Number 4, boys doubles secondary rounds for quarterfinals. To be played between
May quarterfinals pa.